What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here, and today, well, we've got the brand new ISC rear toe adjustment arms, and we've got our 2015 WRX. We've got the wheels and tires off of it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install these. Let's go. Take the pin out. Just gonna clean up these threads. We're gonna see if we can pop this joint down a little bit, just with a hammer. Broke free, perfect. All right, we'll just leave this one hand tight because we don't want to completely remove it, but we just want to make sure that you've got a decent amount of wiggle there that is broken free from the hub. But now we'll just repeat the same process on the other side, and then we'll go up in the air. The toe arm, and that's just a 12mm, and then we've got our factory adjustment here, which is kind of an eccentric bolt. That's gonna be a 19, and then on the back is a 21. And we're just gonna hit it with a little bit of the good stuff before we get started. Grab our big 19 and our 21 on the other side and break that free. Pull that bolt out. Then we'll undo the nut on the top here that we left on, just hand tight. Down and out. That's it, it's removed. All right, now that that's out, we can repeat the process on the other side, and then we'll get to setting up the new adjustable toe arms to go in. We've got the old toe arm here and the brand new one. So let's go ahead and loosen this up, because basically what we're trying to do is get them to be, roughly the same length. Now, of course, they don't have to be identical because, well, you'll probably want to get an alignment after this anyway, but this should at least get us started, and you should be able to get these on the car and at least get rolling. So this will basically act about like that. You'll repeat the same process for the other side, but this is ready to bolt on. All right, now that we've got our arm ready to go on, I'm just gonna slide that in there. All right, and we're gonna take our big bolt here and slide that through, and then these kind of aluminum spacers act as a kind of a cam lock kit. And then this one on the front here is 18, and this one on the back is 21. All right, and then for the outermost portion, we're going to get everything kind of set up here to make sure everything's in place. And then run our bolt down through. And before you go ahead and tighten it all up, you just want to make sure that this seats nicely into the actual hub itself, and that everything is seated properly together. And looks like we're good. And the top one is an 18. Okay. All right, and then you just want to make sure to double check that everything's tight. I would probably just go off factory torque specs for now, unless we hear anything from ISC. If we do, I'll let you know. But this one's installed. go ahead and do the other side, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, guys, and that's it. You're done. The install was super quick and super easy. Probably the biggest surprise there is just how tight they fit up into the ears on the subframe, but I would rather have it be a little too tight than, well, too loose. Now, with something like this and any aftermarket suspension, I always recommend, of course, go get an alignment. And then two, once you put about 30 to 50 miles on it, go through and just tighten everything up again. And then maybe at like 150 miles, just tighten everything up again, and then you should be good. Now, if you guys are interested, the link will be down below. Drop a comment, hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down, but let me know what you thought. Thanks so much, guys. We'll see you on the next one.